Good morning. I have a perennial here that is a type of puppy. It's a oriental puppy, and they come back every year in my garden. And the color of this puppy is red. You see the color. It's a single, but it's huge flower. It's beautiful. You see the inside. They have a combination of a kind of purple color there. And black. They have a trace of black also inside. It's a oriental poppy. It's a big flower, and a red. It's a beautiful. I also have a orange one, but the orange are thicker flower like peony. But this one is it's a single, but it's still pretty, the red, because having a red in the garden, red flower is very rare. Not too many red flower are most garden are purple, yellow, and pink, but red hard to find a color red in the garden. There is only few perennial that giving you a red color. But the oriental poppy is very gorgeous when they are in bloom, because of the looks of it, and the bright red, vibrant red is it makes it very beautiful in the garden. So this is oriental poppy, and they become thicker and thicker every year when they are coming back to your garden. And you can also collect seeds of this poppy. They have a very fine powdery seeds, and sometimes they grow around it, or you can sow it yourself, or you can just scatter it in your garden, and they'll just come back if you know how to propagate this type of poppy. And it's very beautiful, very beautiful poppy.